Wednesday, July 17th, 1:53 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Gonna do a review, recap my day trades this morning. I trade the S&P 500. It's got the best spreads, best liquidity. I trade it before the New York stock market session opened. So that means I was trading futures. Futures are a form of derivative. Trade it from the 0-700 to 0-800 window time frame, New York session. It works out fine for me. Looking here on a 15-minute chart, the S&P 500 futures. Futures are a derivative. This was the start of last evening when the futures opened, 6 p.m. This was Asian session. Look how tight that consolidation was. This was London session. If you don't know, that's 2 to 5. Look at that. More participants, more people participating in trading. And then this was the New York Open, 9:30 a.m. And I have it here labeled to 10:30. But I trade between a 7 and 8. That was what I did today. Take it on a 5 minutes. And that was the London session. And this blue vertical line, and this blue vertical line, I have traded between that session today. I set up my charts before 7, so between 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, in that range, I'm here setting up my charts. Looking at the higher time frame, the 4-hour, this is the daily. Yep. Yesterday we made that high, all-time new high right there yesterday. And look at this current 4-hour, look at this current daily candle. Daily candle, huge trading range. Here on the 4 hours, let me show you. So the overnight session with this big sell-off, and I came in during this time frame, during that 4-hour candle. That 4-hour candle is from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. So that major candle I was trading during that session. And then since then, look at that, went lower, lower. Lower highs, lower lows, big move down here during the London session. Plus, we broke below yesterday. So when I was looking here for trade ideas, you'll see here on the 15 minutes, I was already bearish bias because we were trading down. Look, lower high sessions, Asian, London, going down. Zoom in. Like 15-minute candles. So this blue vertical line here started 7 a.m. This one ended here at 8 a.m. That was a bullish pin bar right here. I liked it. We had a reversal. Thinking, okay, it's a bounce. Where might we go? It's a higher time frame, 15 minutes again, making higher highs, higher lows. Take it to the 5 minutes. Again, this big impulse move down, I labeled midpoint. So my thought was, we might go up and test that. So that was a short-term upside I was looking for. Because again, that window from 7 to 8, more traders come to participate after 8 a.m. So I know things could change. Also, this vertical line here, 8:30, was a U.S. economic release. I don't want to be the trade during that time. So I was looking in this little window between that 7 and 8. And I was bullish bias. I'm looking for pullbacks to enter bullish on the breakouts. In the 5 minutes, zoom in here on the 5 minutes. From 7 a.m. down to 7:30. Sell-off, lower highs. Inside candle, right here on this 5-minute candle, nice inside candle. And then the reversal, which I mentioned on the 15-minute candle right here. This candle is from 7:30 to 7:45. Let's look on the 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3. These three candles. 1, 2, 3. Red, inside candle, yellow, green. That makes up to 15 minutes. And notice here, 5-minute candles making higher highs, higher lows. That was helping me confirm the trend direction and look for those trades in that direction. On the 3-minute, right here on the 3-minute, some more. I wanted the same confirmation as the 5 minutes. So I was looking here, making sure my trend was still up and taking my trades on the 1 minute. Again, nice inside candle. Okay, these are 3-minute candles, but the 731 here to the 745 here. I took 4 trades. All were bullish, all were profits. I'm going to show you how that worked out. First trade was right here, 0743. We broke above here, this green candle on this 1 minute. I went long right there, real fast. I had a tight stop, scalping. I'm not looking straight, stay in all day. Closed out, took my first trade in and out. Profits, nice, fast move up, big candle above average. Again, I'm not thinking that's going to continue momentum, and it did not. Thank goodness I closed it. What happened? Consolidation, went sideways. In and out within that same minute. Next trade was 0747. I liked it. What happened there? Did a retest, big wick there, big green candle, closed. I went long right here. And when I went long there, again, took off like a rocket ship real fast, in and out, that same trade profit, in and out, 0747. It's our first 2 trades, green. Nice. I want to see how it looks on a 3-minute. Here's a 3-minute. First trade was in this 3-minute. Second trade was in that one. Again, nice, higher highs, higher lows. And here, you'll see the moment where I did my stop. So the third trade, we had a consolidation. We had a pullback. So I like how that pullback was coming here. There's 2 red candles. And this I'd labeled as a zone, demand zone buyers. We pulled back after that red candle. We made a reversal, higher high, higher low. This candle was green before it closed on that 1 minute. And I took my trade right there. Nice, went long. 0750, 0750. Then it closed that white candle. That means open and close the same price right there. That was suspicious. And I had my stop labeled on this 3-minute low, which you see here. See this candle right here? That was a 3-minute low. I had it labeled to have a stop right below that, which happens to be that sweet spot. Demand zone, buyers. I gave myself enough room on the downside. After I went long, again, 0750, this took off real fast, and my trade got closed right here, 0751. So I was in that for a little bit more than a minute. Big green candle. Again, I'm not thinking it's going to have continued momentum. Thank goodness I closed. Third trade, bullish profit. And my next one right here, 0754. Consolidation, and I'll show you again the 3-minute. There's a 3-minute. So I put my stop right there, below that 3-minute. I went long in that during that 3-minute candle. Stop was below there, which you can see here on the 1 minute. So I went long there. Next candle, higher high, higher low. Nice. I liked it. It was a big candle. I was thinking, yep, we're still on target to maybe test this 15-minute midpoint. Next candle, higher high, higher low. Okay, when that formed, and it had that wick on the top, both there's 1 minute. I was suspicious. Thinking, yep, doesn't look like there's enough buyers want to keep momentum. I manually closed my trade for profit right here. 0757. So I got in 0754, closed at 0757. That was the longest trade I was in for the day. Thank goodness I closed there, because look, it went lower, lower, lower. And that was a 8 o'clock hour right there, that vertical line. So all my trades were between that sweet spot, between 0740 and 0757. That little time frame worked out for life. Thank goodness. Show you on the 5 minutes. Then we go on the 5 minute. Back to the regular join. So look what happened since then. That's 7 to 8 o'clock session right here. We've gone a lot lower. For my mindset, stay situation awareness, focus, takes a lot out of you. For me to stay so much longer for the day, you might start getting sloppy, lose concentration, get distracted. Yeah. So again, I just closed my trades, shut down 8 o'clock, and went to the gym. The good thing is, I didn't lose any trades, regardless if I did 1 trade or 4 trades. Point is, don't lose your money. Stay focused. That being said, this big move down hasn't closed yet. Opportunities. There's another session, the afternoon session. If I want to trade between a 3 and a 4, because there's a lot more participants. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.